You've got, what, another day or two before summer really arrives?
Well, we'll have like a brief taste of it tomorrow.
Okay.
And then we'll really get a full taste of it this weekend. And something special happening this weekend. Jennifer, I know you're going to love this because we did it last year.
Oh,
it was
I know.
so
Hold it.
fun.
Let me guess.
Yeah.
Does it involve wine?
Yes.
I
and
knew
like yoga, but it's called bar.
I
Oh, yeah.
remember that.
That's
Yeah,
really
that
nice.
was a
Bar,
great
it's just
time.
kind of like yoga. So it's Bar 3 on the Vineyard. It's happening this Saturday at Stoller. There's our camera there, so we'll have to pan it down to get all of the girls out there in the sunshine, doing their thing, working out before enjoying some awesome wine at the end and snacks too. Jennifer and I both braved it last year. It was such a good time.
I still talk about it because that was one of the hardest workouts I think I've ever done.
It was so fun. And so that's happening this Saturday. I believe you can still RSVP for it. If you're interested, I'm going to try to go. I think it's going to be fantastic weather for that. But if you just want to go wine tasting in general, maybe head to the coast this weekend. It's just looking spectacular. It's going to be one of the warmest weekends we've had so far this month. Take a look at Lincoln City right now. You can see those clouds breaking up, the sunshine coming out. And again, we will see more of that to come again for the weekend. Portland today, it's been a little tough to get out of the clouds, but we're breaking up those clouds here and there to get some sunshine to peek through. I think it'll make for a beautiful sunset tonight. So still a little bit on the unsettled side. Still on the cool side. Remember yesterday I said a carbon copy for us today, and that's what happened. Yesterday the high 77. We were back into the mid-70s by 5:30. Well, here we are, high 77 today. We're back in the mid-70s, and we're still looking at overall mostly cloudy skies out there. Up and down I-5 in the mid-70s. We're in the 60s at the coast, and then back to the gorge, upper 70s to low 80s there. Central Oregon in the mid to upper 70s, and most of the active weather still right along the mountains and east. This is a look at Mount Hood Meadows, and you can see the top of Mount Hood there. Encased in the cloud cover, we've had a few little spotty showers pop up there, but stormy weather happening just to the east of there. Here's a look at the radar, and we have a few light showers popping up just south of Bend, but the heaviest action has been up towards La Grande, and here's that cell moving right along I-84 there, likely producing hail, quite a bit of lightning there, and then some gusty winds too. That's going to roll right over I-84 there. But once the sun sets, we'll see those showers and storms diminish, and they'll be out of our hair. As far as the metro area goes in the valley, it's going to be a nice, comfortable and dry evening. Mostly cloudy. We'll be in the low to mid 70s through 7 p.m. And again, it gets kind of cool after the sun sets. So we'll be in the upper 60s at 9, mid 60s by 11 o'clock, and eventually it's down into the upper 50s for us with mostly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, the changes arrive. It's back to summertime. We start with the clouds for part of the morning, partly cloudy too. And then by lunchtime, we're in the mid 70s, and we go all the way up to the low 80s with most of the afternoon spent in the upper 70s tomorrow. It's going to be a gorgeous, gorgeous day. Up and down I-5, low to mid 80s for highs. We're back to the 60s for the coast because of that onshore wind. It'll keep it a little cooler there. And then warmer east of the Cascades, too, with more sunshine and fewer storms, back to the mid-80s. So we're transitioning back to summer, our true summer. It's been below normal for most of the month. And it starts tomorrow. Sunny skies by lunch, highs near 80 tomorrow, which is where we should be. But then we get this brief setback, and that moves in late Thursday into Friday. There's another low that's going to try to swing through to bring in more rain chances and a slight little cool down. But by the time we get to the weekend, all of that is clear, and we're back to the 80s. In fact, highs in the mid-80s for the weekend. It's going to be beautiful. So here's the first low. That's going to move by to our north and east. That's what's been bringing this unsettled weather that we've had. So that's moving away from us. So we get a brief break tomorrow in between systems. This one is set to swing right over us, and so that's going to bring in that potential for shower chances late Thursday into Friday. Just a slight chance for showers, most of it for the mountains, but more cloud cover, and again, that cool down. So tomorrow we wake up to the clouds. We finish with it by lunch. We're back to the sunshine. Beautiful day. Tomorrow night, the clouds will roll back in, and then we start with the clouds on Thursday, and we'll finish with the clouds on Thursday. But I think we'll see some sunshine in between. We'll watch for a few stray mountain showers, and then there will be that slight chance for a stray shower in the evening for the metro area. Friday will continue with that slight shower chance. Highs will be in the upper 70s, and then for the weekend, it's back to summer. Highs in the low to mid 80s, low 80s even going into the early part of next week. So when we go back to summer, we're not talking about the summer of last year where it was just brutal. We're talking the true, really good stuff here, Pacific Northwest style.
The nice
in the
summer.
low 80s, yeah.
Not the bad summer,
Not the bad
nice
summer, the nice summer. So
See, all
good.
the more reason we're just waiting for the perfect stuff.
Right.
Thanks,
Thanks,
Kristen.
Kristen.
Okay, we know